Hey there guys, welcome back to Wild and Wonderful Homestead. Now today and over the next few days and possible weeks we're on a mission. We're going to be tearing down our very first goat building that we ever had, trying to level the newer bigger building and putting in stalls before all our girls have their babies. Now it's a pretty big thing to get done, but if we manage to get 4 stalls done in the new building and still use the other 4 over here in this building that we're still keeping, every mama will still have her own stall for giving birth and looking after her babies. So we better get to work. We're finally tearing down what was our very first goat building. And it's a little bittersweet because the first goats we ever got were Clover and Daisy. And this was their very first home. But it is a bit of an eyesore, it is a bit ugly, we'll admit that. And it'll look a lot tidier to get this tore down. Our very first goat building is officially down. This is how unlevel this building was. See the gap along here? That's how much we had to jack up that side of the building to get it level with that side. So now Will's just digging down that back corner so the ground will be level. Me and Danny's fixing to put more boards to close in this side. And then we'll start working on the stalls for the girls.
That been busy. Look.
Let's see who else has been busy. Oh, we got another little nest on our property. Anything in there? Oop. Got 5 little eggs. So hopefully we won't disturb the mama too much. And those little eggs will hatch soon. What do you reckon, Joe?
I don't know what type of bird they could be.
Well, we'll just keep watch, eh?
No, you tighten it.
Hey, look, if you put this in there. So far, so good. The ground's almost completely done. We've almost got that level. We've got most of the side here closed in, so we just need to bring more dirt to level the back area there, close that in, and then we'll start on the birthing stalls. Lily, are you Daddy's work buddy? You helping Dad? You did? Ellie, you working? Getting to work, Dad. Ready? Watch. Wow. We've got 4 stalls on one side, and once we get the gates on, that'll be those done, and then it'll be on to the next side. Look at that big round belly. Look at the size of Clover. Holy moly, girl. Oh my God. Look at that belly. Hi, princess. You just want to scratch, don't you? Lily. Hi, baby. Countdown to babies. And the big question's gonna be who's gonna go first. We did it! We got at least 4 pens ready with nice clean hay and water. I don't think we're going to have time to do the other 4 on the other side, but we're happy these are done and we're really tickled with how it turned out. To make things a little easier, we've decided we're going to add another pen. It's going to make rotating the goats easier, but it means we've got to clear all this mess. Finished. Now this is our old pen and we've put fence in to extend it, and it runs all along the front here. We've put this big gate in so we can still get in and out with the tractor. And yeah, we still got to tidy up all this junk here, but that's going to be the next job. And then it comes round and joins up with the birthing building, the goat building. Oh, and we also put fencing from the back of the building to join with the original pen. It's not 100% finished, but we're happy with it so far. We've got our chalkboard up, cabinets in, and 4 stalls ready for having these babies. With a lick of paint and a bit of TLC, these stalls will look absolutely lovely. We will move all of these tools and build 4 more stalls, but we're pretty much out of time for that right now, so that will be a later project. And we moved the milking stand and freezer that we store feed in over here, so hopefully we're somewhat ready for these babies. Now with us all somewhat organised and nice little spot to keep our girls happy, we'll just wait on these babies. Don't forget to comment below with how many babies do you think we'll end up with all together. And thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time.